Capturing heat from the sewers is a nice idea. It's not, however, a huge issue. We're not going to power entire cities with it. It's a nice thing to do, but it's a complement to a wider set of sustainability measures.
Eng Tiang Sing's idea for islands made of trash off of Singapore's coast offers a neat alternative to standard landfills. And it could knock nearly 3% off Ecopolis's carbon emissions bill. But global warming could put a spanner in the works.
The longer-term issue is that using waste to build out new artificial islands is a process that we're going to be building new infrastructure right in harm's way, where global warming and sea level rise are going to have the most damaging effects. That's not an equation for long-term success.
Kamen makes his first difficult cut.
The two I'm going to have to drop are the urban sewage heating systems and the Singapore landfill. They're both good steps. They can affect our solutions, but they're not enough of a hit to get us where we need to go.
That leaves two technologies going head-to-head: biochar and the gas plasma process. In Australia, Adriana Downey's biochar technology uses waste to create energy, boost farm crops, and even lock carbon into the soil. The carbon saving, an extraordinary 21%, making it our number cruncher's top performer. But Kamen thinks manufacturing this super fertilizer could prove a complex process.
We're going to have to take our organic waste from the cities, transport it back out to the countryside, make char, get the energy, probably pipe that back into the cities, and manage the reintroduction of that organic material into the soils.
In the UK, Chris Chapman's gas plasma process not only eliminates trash, but also recaptures energy from it to power the megacity. The carbon saving, 3%. Kamen has to make the final call between the two technologies.
The gasification takes our waste and makes it into energy. That's very attractive. But the biochar case has several things working for it.
Biochar could lock much of our excess carbon in the ground. It's time for Kamen to make the big call: biochar or gas plasma technologies. Which idea will help turn Ecopolis from urban nightmare to model megacity?
Gas plasmification is a very attractive technology. The problem is it takes a lot of energy to do that process, to convert the materials into a gas. This gives me some doubts about how much of an upside this really has.
For Kamen, there is a clear champion.
In this case, biochar is a very easy winner. It not only helps to solve the problem of our waste supply, but it also works us into a situation where we're thinking differently about agriculture. And finding places to actually store carbon, to sequester it, is a rare commodity. That pushes biochar into the lead and makes it a clear winner in this case.
Kamen's choice transforms Ecopolis. Landfill sites vanish from the suburbs. Incineration plants shut down. Our organic waste revolutionizes agriculture. It's a brilliant yet simple technology. It cuts the amount of carbon Ecopolis sends into the Earth's atmosphere by an astonishing 41 million tons. Biochar could save the world from a looming waste crisis.